Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to revise story 10 from your fair copy. Story 10, The Adjutant Bird. Word synonym. First word is appearance. Synonym, external or outside. Word horrible. Synonym, distasteful or dreadful. Word scrambled. Synonym, confused. Question number 1. What was the adjutant bird doing at the start of the story? Answer. The adjutant bird was sleeping at the start of the story. Question number 2. What made the tortoise want to help the adjutant bird? Answer. The monkeys had troubled the tortoise in the past, and he too wanted to teach the monkeys a lesson. Dear student, your homework is memorize story number 10's word synonym and also question number 1 and 2 with the spelling. Send your memorization work with the spelling in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.